Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos about stock market. So guys, today is 13th of January and the time is almost like 9:12 now. So yes, the pre-market has been closed. So we'll see how the pre-open market is opening today. So yes, Nifty is opening at 0.52% up. Okay, that is with 14,639.80, and the advances stocks are 45 and declines are 2 and unchanged are 3. So by seeing these numbers, you're getting to know where the market is opening. The market opening will be in a gap up section. Okay, so almost like 0.5% up now. So we'll see once the market opens how it will perform. So let's see the top two stocks which are opening in the gap up section, that is Bharti Airtel with 3.93% up already, and Tata Motors with 2.14% up. Let's see the stocks which are opening in the gap down section here. So yes, not much of a gap down here. So Eicher Motors with 0.42% down, Grasim with 0.13% down. So yes, these are the market is opening. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stocks and I'll be doing the live trade, so stay tuned for that. So I'll be telling you on what stock I'll be trading and what entry I'll be taking, everything. So guys, right now I've selected Indelco to trade and I've decided to go short sell on Indelco around 266. So we'll see how the stock will perform. So short sell on Indelco. So guys, as you can see, Indelco has fell down now and the low is 264 now. As you can see, the target is achieved in sell side. So I shorted around 266 as you guys saw, and now it's around 264. So guys, it's trying to cross 264 now. Yes, it is crossing down. So 263.90. So let me just check out how the index is performing. So this is Indelco chart, comes under Nifty Metal. So this is how the Nifty Metal is looking right now. So yes, even the index is also falling, so matching the trend of the stock. So let's see the Nifty 50 chart, how the market is performing today. So yes, even this, even the market is not in much of a upper range. As you can see, a gap up again and it's continuing to come down. To exit this around 264, and yes, this was the profit what I was able to book today in the trade of Indelco what I did. So yes, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So guys, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. Okay, so you can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you'll be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.